3, Shlok number 11. Sarvarthaikai Gratayo Shayodayo Chittasya Samadhi Parinamaha. Taking in all sorts of objects and concentrating upon one object, these two powers being destroyed and manifested respectively, the chitta gets the modification called samadhi. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. The mind takes up various objects, run into all sorts of things. That is the lower state. There is a higher state of the mind when it takes up one object and excludes all others, of which samadhi is
Part
the
3,
Shlok number 12. Tatah punah shantodito tulya pratyayo chittasya kagrata parinamaha. The one pointedness of the chitta is when the impression that is past and that which is present are similar. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. How are we to know that the mind has become concentrated? Because the idea of time will vanish. The more time passes unnoticed, the more concentrated we are. In common life, we see that when we are interested in a book, we do not note the time at all, and when we leave this book, we are often surprised to find how many hours have passed. All time will have the tendency to come and stand in the one present. So the definition is given: when the past and present come and stand in one, the mind is said to be concentrated. 3. Shlok number 13. Eten bhutendriyeshu dharma lakshan vastha parinama vyakhyata. By this is explained the threefold transformation of form, time and state in fine or gross matter and in the organs. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. By the threefold changes in the mind stuff as to form, time and state are explained the corresponding changes in gross and subtle matter and in the organs. Suppose there is a lump of gold, it is transformed into a bracelet and again into an earring. These are changes as to form. The same phenomena looked at from the standpoint of time give us change as to time. Again, the bracelet or the earring may be bright or dull, thick or thin, and so on. This is change as to state. Now referring to the aphorism, the mind stuff is changing into vrittis. This is change as to form, that it passes through past, present and future moments of time is change as to time, that the impressions vary as to intensity within one particular period. Say present is change as to state. The concentrations taught in the preceding aphorisms were to give the yogi a voluntary control over the transformations of his mind stuff, which alone will enable him to make the samyama named in Part 3, Shlok number 14. Shanto ditavya updeshasya dharmanupati dharme. That which is acted upon by transformation, either past, present or yet to be manifested, is the qualified. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. That is to say, the qualified is the substance which is being acted upon by time and by the sanskaras and getting changed and being manifested always. Part 3, Shlok number 15. Kramanya tvam parinam anya tva hetuhu. The succession of changes is the cause of manifold evolution. Hari Om Tat Sat.